Class 6, Chapter 8, Introduction to QBasic 64. BASIC stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It belongs to the category of high-level programming language. In 1985, Microsoft released a version of BASIC language called QBasic, QuickBasic, with its MS-DOS 5.0 operating system. It basically supports character user interface. QuickBasic is an easy to use version of the original BASIC. Components of the QBasic 64 window. The different components of QBasic 64 window are discussed below. Title bar. The bar present on the top of the window is the title bar. Menu bar. The menu bar is present just below the title bar. Program name. It is displayed just below the menu bar. Program area. It is the actual workspace where you type a program. Horizontal scroll bar. It helps to scroll either to the left or to the right of the screen. Vertical scroll bar. It helps to scroll either to the beginning or to the end of the screen to see the lines that are not visible. Status area. It is the area where a QB64 statement is executed when the enter key is pressed. If the statement type is incorrect, it displays an error message. Syntax error on current line. Otherwise, the status is OK. Status bar. Status bar shows the current position of the cursor. Writing and executing a program. By now, you have already learned that a set of instructions given to computer is called a program. The instructions are called command. Let us now learn about print command and CLS command. CLS command stands for clear screen. It clears the content of the screen. Print command. The print command, as the name suggests, is used for displaying the output on the screen. Executing a program. Use print and CLS command to write a simple program. Then you can execute or to run a QBasic 64 program. Click on the run menu, then start option. Then output will be shown on the screen. Now, saving a program. You have to follow certain steps to save the program, like firstly you have to click on the file menu, then save as option. In the save as dialog box appears, give an appropriate file name and select the location where you want to save the program and then click OK. Now, opening a program. To open an already stored program, follow the given steps. Click on the file menu, then open option. The open dialog box appears. Type the name of the file you want to open in file name section. Click OK and view the file. Exiting QBasic 64. You can quit QBasic 64 by the following given steps. Click on the file menu, exit options. If the opened file is not saved, it asks if you want to save the file. Select the desired option. Thank you.